Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Hamza, your go-to source for all things digital marketing. I am passionate about helping you navigate the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. And today we have an exciting topic to dive into. In today's video, we are diving deep into Facebook ads detailed targeting. Facebook ads have become an essential tool for marketers, and understanding how to use detailed targeting effectively can make or break your campaigns. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, mastering detailed targeting is crucial for reaching the right audience and maximizing your ad spend. This is the only video you will need to master detailed targeting this year. The techniques and strategies we will discuss are up to date with the latest Facebook ad feature and best practices. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to use Facebook detailed targeting to reach the right people, optimize your ad performance, and scale your campaign effectively. So grab a notebook and get ready to take some notes. Detailed targeting is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can significantly enhance your ad performance and drive better results for your business. Let's dive into the world of Facebook ad detailed targeting and take your digital marketing skills to the next level.
So first, let's walk through an example of setting up a Facebook ad campaign. We will start by choosing the campaign objective. For this example, we will use a conversion objective because we want to drive specific action on our website. So how you can do that? Simply click on create button, and you can see a different campaign objective here. It depends on you or your campaign goals. So you can select any campaign objective here. So in our case, we will use conversion. You can select in engagement. If you want to run a conversion campaign in leads, you can create a conversion campaign, and sales. It depends on your goals, which type of goals you have. So you can create conversion campaign according to that. So we are discussing about the detailed targeting. So let's jump into engagement. I will suggest you to select a manual engagement campaign because in manual engagement campaign you have a lot of control, and we can discuss detailed targeting here as well. So in recommended setting we can't discuss a lot about detailed targeting, so that's why we will select the manual engagement campaign here. And here is the real world start. This is the campaign level, this is the ad set level, and this is the ad level where you can add your creative. So in ad set we will discuss detailed targeting, but in campaign level we set the campaign name first. Always whenever you create the campaign, set the campaign name, because it will be easy for you in future if you want to see the results of a specific campaign. So let's make a name, engagement. It's just for example, we'll select CBO. If you are selecting advantage campaign or budget, it's also called CBO, campaign budget optimization. If you are selecting this, then I suggest you to write CBO in your campaign name. So we will select here the daily budget or lifetime budget. So let's just do 40 dirham right now. Once we have selected our objective, we move on the ad set level where we define our audience and schedule. Here you can see various targeting options which we will dive deeper into throughout this video. So here we can also set a name of this campaign. So it will be the same, but we will add some more stuff here. So as it was the CBO, it's just for example, it's up to you what campaign name you want to set. Alright, and only you can see it. It's only visible for you. So here you can see the different options. We can select website because we want to drive some actions on our website. As we are discussing about detailed targeting, so first of all we discuss about location targeting. Alright, so location targeting is crucial for reaching the right audience, whether you are targeting specific city, country or region. This step ensures your ads are seen by people who are most likely to interested. So for example, if you are a local business, you might want to target people within a certain radius of your store. You can use a drop pin. I will show you here. You can see these options here. Let's remove this. So first, write any specific, let's do a country. So it will be United Arab Emirates. Alright, select it. Alright, so you can see here is a drop in as well. If you want not to write the name, you can set a drop in here. If you want to target any specific area, you can just drop a pin. and it will set there. All right, so you can search a specific area and set a radius. All right, it will be 1 to 50 miles, so you can select by drop-in as well, or you can do by setting a location in bulk. How you can do that? You just select any specific option, and you can see countries, regions, states, DMA, designated market areas, cities, postal code, addresses. You can provide these things like postal code. You can write here all postal code that you want to target, and then match locations. All right, so this is how location targeting works. So this is the first main thing in our detailed targeting videos, and we will discuss another thing, that is audience size. Finding the right audience size can be tricky. Too broad and you risk wasting ad spend. Too narrow and you might miss potential customers. Facebook provide an audience size meter which help indicate if your audience is too broad or too specific. Alright, so here you can see the audience definition here. So it's in middle, it means it's better. Alright, so it's too broad and it's too specific. Alright, in middle it's good, it's fairly broad, and you can go with these options. Aim for the middle of the meter, which is usually labeled as defined. This balance ensure your ads reach enough people to gather data while targeting enough to remain relevant. Another targeting option is demographic targeting, and here you can see the demographic targeting. Let's switch to original audience option. So here you can see the demographic options like age, gender, and you can also see here as well. If you do a browse, you can see here is a lot of options available: education, financial, life events. In demographic, you can select any of these options according to your detailed targeting. If you want to target any educational level, so you can select here, and your ad will only target to those audiences. Any specific group that align with your business goal, you can target them. For instance, if you are selling high-end skincare products, you might want to target women aged 25 to 45. So how you can do that? Only select here 25 to 45. You can just select the age here. All right, and then you can select the gender here by editing this woman only. After that, we will discuss another targeting option, which is detailed targeting, where you can target 25 to 45 year women who are interested in skincare, in beauty. All right, so how detailed targeting is work? We can just simply select the skincare. We can write here skincare, and we can see a lot of options available here, and you can see the interest, any specific interest you can target here. This is called detailed targeting. All right, and if you want to target one more option, you can target that, but mostly I suggest that target one interest in one campaign. It will be easy for you to understand which specific interest is working very well. All right, so here is the beauty, and you can see here is the other stuff available here based on demographic interest. You can target them. You can target them by their behaviors as well, which was beauty. You want to target the beauty interest, and you can see here is the beauty interest. So just select this. So detailed targeting lets you reach people based on interest, behavior, and connections. This is where Facebook ads truly shines. By combining different targeting options, you can pinpoint the exact audience that will resonate with your ads. For example, if you are advertising a new fitness app, you could target people interested in running, weight training, and healthy eating. Layering these interests help you reach a more specific and relevant audiences. So how you can add a new interest? So just cancel these options and select a running. It will be RUNNING, running, and you can target the interest, running interest. So you have seen that. If I write a running, you can see here there is an option employer, job title. All right, so the interest, this is the interest, this is the demographic, and this is also a demographic. All right, so you have to be very careful when you are targeting your audience. So you need to make sure which audience you are targeting. So we have selected the interest, and if you want to target employer, it will be demographic as well. All right, so but we are not doing this. We are only targeting who are interested in running sports category. All right, so we will cancel this option. So now I want to discuss some targeting mistakes that need to be avoided. So avoid these common targeting mistakes to ensure your campaign are effective. 1. Don't over target. This can limit your reach and increase cost. 2. Constantly monitor and adjust your targeting based on performance data. And 3. Avoid targeting too broad of an audience, as it can lead to wasted ad spend. So basically you can target broad audience if you are selecting advantage detailed targeting options. Alright, and if you have enough data and in your pixel or in your backend, then you can do that, because in this case Facebook will understand who is your exact audience. If you use advantage detailed targeting as a broad targeting options, is much better, and now it's working very fine. And don't over target mean don't put a lot of interest, behavior, demographic in one campaign. Don't do this, because in this way you will not understand which specific interest is performing very well. Alright, so you need to target at least one. I will suggest you only one interest in one campaign, in one ad set, because it will be easy for you to understand which specific interest is working very well. Alright, so if you target 2 or 3 interests in one ad set, you will not understand which interest is working. And you can create one campaign, and under one campaign you can create 5-6 ad set. In each ad set you can target one interest for understanding which interest is for you. Now let's discuss about the custom audiences. So custom audiences are powerful tool for retargeting and nurturing leads. You can create custom audience from your customer data, website traffic or app activity. These help you re-engage people who have already shown interest in your brand. So let's discuss about the custom audiences, where you can see the custom audiences and lookalike audiences. Simply go to audience section, and here you can create or see your custom audiences, or you can create a lookalike audiences here as well. So let's discuss about the custom audiences. You can see here your sources and meta sources. How to use custom audience? Let's dive deeper into custom audience. You can create audiences from various data sources like email list, website visitors, and app users. Alright, so this section will cover advanced techniques for using custom audience to boost your ad performance and drive higher ROI. So once you have custom audience, you can create a lookalike audience with the help of your custom audience as well. So for example, if you want to create a custom audience, select on your website and then move to a next page, and here you can select a pixel. Right now we didn't add a pixel on our website, that's why it's showing the error here. All website visitors, we can create all website visitors as our custom audience, and we can use them as retargeting campaigns. Alright, so we can also target those people who visited specific page, and then select the audience name, put description if you want to, and then create audience. And once you have created this custom audience, then you can go to lookalike audience, alright, here, and you can select lookalike sources. For example, we have created before, so you can select that custom audience source that we have created in previous tab. Here you will see that specific results, and you can select that, and you can create a campaign. You can select 1% lookalike audience here, so always select 1%. Here you can select the audience location. It's also come in detailed targeting, how you can create a lookalike audience. So it's very simple.
But keep in mind, this feature uses your custom audience data to find people with similar characteristics and behavior. Essentially, it leverages the data you already have about your most valuable customers, such as demographic, interest, and behavior, and uses Facebook's algorithm to find new people who resemble this group. This can significantly enhance your reach and ensure your ads are seen by people who are more likely to be interested in your products or services. So here are best practices for testing and optimizing lookalike audiences. Multiple source audiences. Test lookalike audience based on different source audiences such as top purchasers, website visitors, and newsletter subscribers. This help identify which source audience yields the best results. Adjust audience size. Start with the 1% lookalike audience for high similarity and gradually test broader size, like up to 5 to 10%. But I will suggest you to only go with 1% because you will find very close match in this percentage. But when you go to 5 to 10%, you can balance reach and relevance. But it's not helpful in every scenario or in every case. And third one is creative and messaging. Tailor your ad creatives and messaging to resonate with the traits of your lookalike audience. If they are similar to your best customers, use language and visuals that have previously been successful. Fourth is monitor and refine. Regularly monitor the performance of your lookalike audience. Use Facebook's reporting tools to analyze key metrics and refine your audience settings for continuous improvement. By implementing these best practices, you can maximize the effectiveness of your lookalike audiences and achieve better ad performance. Now let's talk about the open targeting. Open targeting can be a game changer for reaching a broader audience. By not setting up too many restrictions, Facebook algorithm can find the best people to show your ads to. This means that instead of your manually selecting specific demographic or interest, you allow the algorithm to optimize and decide who is most likely to engage with your ads. This can be particularly effective for broad appeals, products or services, and when you are looking to discover new customer segments. But I will suggest you to go with the advantage detailed targeting, because Facebook's own tools or Facebook own techniques is much better than we select open targeting by unselecting the advantage detailed targeting. However, open targeting does come with its risk. Without carefully monitoring, you might end up spending your ad budget on audiences that are not converting well. It's important to balance open targeting with more focused targeting strategies. For instance, you might start with a broad audience and then refine it based on data you gather over time. So how you can create an open targeting campaign? So let's jump into the screen and we will discuss about this.
So for creating an open targeting, simply create a campaign, choose your campaign objective, then go to ad set level. Here you will see different options. Here you have custom audience, custom targeting options. You will just need to select the location where you want to target and just open it for Facebook, and Facebook or Meta will target your audience automatically. So I will not suggest you to go with this. I will suggest you to go with the different option that Meta have. What you can do, just go to and click on create option, create a campaign, and here you can see a campaign objective. You can select any campaign objective. I will select engagement again and go with the manual engagement campaign here. So here you can see different options, and here you can see advantage plus audience. I will suggest you to leave this here and go with this. Alright, so no need to change anything or switch to original audience options. Only go with this. Just select any specific locations here. Select only one location at one time in one campaign or one ad set. If you have a plan to target different location, then I will suggest you to create another ad set. Alright, so it's much better to do these things. Alright, so this is how you can create a open targeting campaigns.
By following these steps, you enable Facebook's algorithm to utilize its vast data and optimize the delivery of your ads to best possible audience. So the next chapter is how to scale. Scaling your campaign is the final piece of puzzle. I will share proven strategies of scaling your Facebook ads while maintaining performance and keeping cost in check. Scaling isn't just about increasing your budget, it's about doing so strategically to avoid diminishing returns and to sustain performance. So number one strategy is increase budget gradually. Start by increasing your budget in small increment. For example, 10 to 20% every few days. This allows the algorithm to adjust without disrupting performance. Number two is expand audiences. Gradually broaden your audience targeting. For instance, if you have been target a specific interest group, consider expanding to similar interest or lookalike audiences. Number three is duplicate winning ad set. If you have ad sets that are performing exceptionally well, consider duplicating them and running them with higher budget or slightly varied targeting parameters. Number 4 is creative testing. Continuously test new ad creatives, different visuals, messages, and formats can appeal to different segments of your audience and help maintain engagement. There you have it. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Facebook ad strategies. We have covered everything from the basic to advanced scaling techniques. Remember, the key to successful Facebook advertising lies in constant testing, learning, and adapting. Good luck with your campaigns and feel free to reach out with any questions. Happy advertising!